Hello viewers, and welcome once again to Frequency Online Maths. I posted this maths video on my Facebook page, so I was getting so many comments on it. So I decided to clear the view on this particular question. The fourth root of what? Negative 9. So this question we are seeing here on the board is what? An imaginary what? Number. And imaginary numbers are the square root of what? Negative numbers. Anytime you see a square root with what? Negative what? Number, just know that that number is what? An imaginary numbers. And because they are not real numbers, they don't have what? Real what? Root. So in my JS3, I think when I was still in secondary school, when I learned how to solve quadratic equation, so I was very happy. So the time I was solving quadratic equation, I got square root of -4 in what I'm solving. I said, this particular math I've learned how to solve, and I'm getting square root of what? -4. I don't like this kind of thing. I said, I will not even give you any chance. I will just write square root of 4 is what? 2. I will even remove the what? Minus by my what? By myself. So when I get minus as square root of minus, that's the imaginary number. I'm not always happy that time. So, but now I've gotten the concept of what? That I squared is equals to what? -1. That's imaginary what? Numbers. And that I is equals to square root of what? -1. This is that the square root of what? The square root of what? Negative numbers are what? Imaginary numbers. So the square root of what? Negative numbers are always what? Imaginary numbers. They don't have real root because they are not what? Real numbers. And they cannot be represented in what? Number line. So in order to solve this question, we are going to write solution. Solution. We are going to just apply simple indices what? Rules. This fourth root, let's rewrite the question. Fourth root of -9. This thing can be written as fourth root of negative, okay. This thing can be written as fourth root of 9 multiplied by fourth root of -1. Do you agree? Because when you times this thing now, when you multiply two of them, it's still going to give you what? Fourth root of what? -9. So let's just take it step by step. According to indices, I think fractional law 2, when you have a 1/4 is equal to what? Fourth root of what? A raised to the power of what? 1. So we are going to apply it here. Can I call this thing 9 1/4? Am I correct? Yes. Multiplying, can I call this thing -1 1/4? This is what? Fractional law what? 2. So can I still deduce this thing as 3 raised to the power of what? 2 parentheses 1/4 multiplied by -1. Okay, -1 is already what? I squared is equals to what? -1. Therefore, squaring both sides, I is equals to square root of what? Minus what? 1. So can I replace this thing with that -1 is equals to what? I squared. Am I correct? Yes. 1/4. So we are going to have 3. This one I wrote like this. I write this thing like this. Okay, so it's going to be 2 here, 1. Okay, let's not write it like that. Let's write it like this. 3 squared, right? 2 times. Okay, we are going to use power rule in indices where you have a raised to power b parenthesis m is equals to what? A times a raised to power b times m. So we are going to apply it here. So it's going to be 3 raised to the power of what? 2/4 times I. 2 times 1 is what? 2 over 4. Are you following? So it's going to be here, what? 3, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. So 3 squared, sorry, 1 over 3 times 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2 times I 1 over 2. Can I write this thing as 3? That's square root of what? 3. Using fractional law what? 1. If you have a, 1 over n is equals to what? N root of what? A raised to the power of what? 1. Fractional law 1. So I'm going to apply it here. So multiplying, can I write this one as what? Square root of what? I. So this is my what? Answer. Are you seeing it? So can I write this thing as square root of 3 times square root of I is equals to what? Square root of 3I. So this thing is also what? My answer. It's also my answer. I can write it like this. So it's also my answer. And another way I can write this is, another way I can write it is square root of 3 times fourth root of minus 1. If you write it like this, you are still correct. This one is the answer. This one is the answer. You get? If you like, you can leave your answer like this. You are still correct. So anyone. So if you know you got your answer like this, kudos to you. You got the right answer. So thank you for watching. May God bless you. Please, anywhere you are finding it difficult, just correct yourself. Oh? Because this question is a little bit complicated. Just try and correct yourself. Thank you and may God bless you. Bye bye.